we're on our second cabinet. They are a little bit heavy, the boxes, but they are packed very nicely. Lots of styrofoam and such to make sure they're not damaged in transport. And then this is what it looks like for us once we completed our first one. Looks pretty good. Pretty sturdy. The lights work. Hold on, let me plug those in here. We have the blue on right now, but they do multicolor and all kinds of stuff. Lots of colors. The only complaint that I would have is that there's a little bit of a difference in the space on the height between the cabinets here, but honestly that's the only thing I would complain about. And this is what it looks on the inside. It has the little magnets here, so each door connects to the side or the middle. But I like this product. It's pretty sturdy. I would recommend it. We're building our second one now.